Student, good morning, all of you. In previous lecture, we had read this poem. We had discussed about this poem. Today, we will know about this exercise of this poem. We will complete exercise of this poem. Exercise first, exercise A. Choose the correct option. In your book, there are has given you choose suitable option and fill in the blanks. Like molars are a kind of teeth. It is suitable option for this sentence. Second, there were almost 300 teeth in the crocodile's mouth. According to this poem, you have already read in this poem that crocodile had 300 teeth in his mouth. Third, the crocodile's teeth were shining white. Four, the crocodile was grinning. And fifth, the lady had a golden chain in her hand. It is the exercise A, and it has given on ninth page in your book. You complete this exercise and remember it. Dear student, now we will discuss about second exercise of this poem. It says that read the lines from the poem and answer the question. पोएम को पढ़ करके इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. इस लाइन को पढ़ करके क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. The line is, the dentist's face was turning white, he quivered, quaked and shook. According to this line, there are two questions in your book. Question number A, what was turning white and why? What was turning white and why? Answer of this question is, the dentist's face was turning white because he was afraid to see the crocodile. And question number B, who quivered, quaked and shook? The dentist. Answer of this question, the dentist. You only write here, the dentist quivered, quaked and shook. Next, dear student, now we have discussed question number 2 of exercise B. Read the line. Line is, I want you, crocodile declared, to do the back once first. The molar at the very back are easily the worst. According to this line, there are 3 questions in your book. Question number A, who does you refer to here? यहाँ you किसके लिए आया है? तो you is referred to the dentist. यू डेंटिस्ट के लिए आया। क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, व्हाट डिड द क्रोकोडाइल वांट द पर्सन डू? आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, द क्रोकोडाइल wanted to put his head inside his great big mouth to the person. क्रोकोडाइल अगले पर्सन से, इट मीन्स डेंटिस्ट से, चाहता था कि वह अपना सिर उसके मुंह के अंदर रखे। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम डिड द क्रोकोडाइल से ही हैड? आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, the crocodile said to the dentist that he had required to repair his teeth. Okay? This question answer in your notebook and remember it. And next question, dear student, now we will discuss about third question of this exercise. Question number A. Before it, we read this line. Line is, don't be a tweet, the lady said, and placed a gorgeous smile. His problem, he is harmless. He is my little pet, my lovely crocodile. This line said by ladies. According to this line, there are two questions in your book. Question number A, who placed a gorgeous smile? Question number A, answer of this question, the lady placed a gorgeous smile. And question number B, what was the lady's opinion about the crocodile? Answer of this question, the lady's opinion about the crocodile was that he was harmless. He was his little pet and his lovely crocodile. Then your exercise A and exercise B has completed. You note this question answer in your notebook and remember it. Okay, thank you.